So, URL 10 project work. So, project description. In this project, I will be dealing about the Thevenin theorem, which is used in the circuit solving problem frequently. So, let's come discuss the Thevenin's theorem. Thevenin's theorem said that a linear who said that a linear two-terminal circuit can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting consisting of a voltage source VTH in the series with a resistor of RTH, where VTH is the open circuit voltage at the terminals and RTH is the input or equivalent resistance at the terminals when the independent sources are turned off. So here two photograph of how Thevenin's theorem work given below, and we can clearly see that in lower photo if a linear two terminal circuit will be there, then we can remove it and convert in uh, VOC equal to VTH. And similarly in resistance, we can see that here uh, 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 the circuit in which will be in series, it will become in parallel. So uh, the uh, so the step to determine the potential VTH and RTH. First step is identify the load, which may be a resistor or a part of the circuit. Second step is replace the load with an open circuit. And third step is uh, VOC, calculate VOC, and this is become equal to Thevenin voltage. Fourth step is turn off all independent voltage and current sources in the linear two-terminal circuit. Fifth step is calculate the equivalent resistance of the circuit. This will be Thevenin resistance. The current through the voltage across the load in resistor with Thevenin voltage, and Thevenin resistor is the load's actual current and voltage in the original circuit. So there are two types circuit in which we can use Thevenin's theorem. First type is independent sources, and second is not independent. So first we will discuss about with in independent no dependent sources. In no dependent sources, the voltage circuit in which there will be no component which is depend on the like current will be not depend on voltage, and current will be not voltage will be not dependent on current. So this is we shown I have shown the I have listed below the figure of the with no independent sources. Likewise, there we can clearly see that there is no such a type of device. So it is a independent sources. And how have I have solved this? We have shown in by the step wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can see clear this. Like in first step, uh, like in first like in first step, um, here given that figure. Uh, so second is dependent sources. In dependent sources, it will depend on means it current will depend on voltage, and voltage will be current on voltage will be current on depend on current. So in this type of question, it will be solved in complex way. So it will take time. Here we can see that in figure how I have solved this, and in stepwise, first photograph show the first two step, and the other two photo shows the third and fourth step. So application of Thevenin's theorem is it is very useful for analyzing power system with other circuit where one particular load registered in the circuit and the recalculation of the circuit is essential with each trial value of load resistance to find the voltage across it and current through it. Thank you.